If you're ever feeling blue and you think there's nothing you can do, just